Hello students. Today I have taken up writing skill and the topic is notice writing. Notice, what is notice? A notice is a short composition carrying 4 marks. Students, you can easily get these 4 marks if your format, content and expressions are error free. Notice. A notice is written form of formal message or a type of written announcement made to everyone. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or about to happen. It could be an upcoming event, competition, lost and found notice, or just a piece of information to be delivered to the targeted audience. Students, there are some rules which you should follow while writing a notice. Notices are always written in a box. The ideal length of the notice is 50 words. Present the notice in proper format. Try to write notice in passive voice only. Never use first person while writing a notice. There should be no use of I, we and me. This is an important rule, students, which should be memorized by heart. So now let's first understand the format of notice and what it includes. Because students, if you know the format, you can easily write any kind of notice. So let's understand this. It includes number 1, the name of institutions and the organization. Second point, date. Date should be written in the form of day, month and year. Next is heading. The heading of the notice should always be according to the main idea on which the notice is based. Then comes the body of the notice. It contains all the important information like date, time, venue, last date, like these things. Next, signature. Signature here is the person who is responsible for notice. His signature should come here. Next, name. Most often the name is mentioned in the question. You have to write down the same name. Next is designation. It is a post of the person who is drafting the notice. So now students, let's look into the format of the notice. First, a rectangular box needs to be created when we are writing a notice. In that box, in the top middle position, the name of the institution or the issuing agency will come. After that, you will write the word notice, and then left hand side you will write the date or date on which notice is issued or released. Then in the middle of the next line you will write the title, heading of the notice, or its mean what all the notice is all about. And after the heading, the body of the notice will come, and it includes a time, venue, date. As the body will be completed, then on the left hand side your signature, name and designation comes. I hope students you will understand this format. Now let's see the examples. First example, you are Aditi, head girl of MS Public School Delhi. Your school is organizing an inter-school dance competition. Draft a notice about 50 words for the school notice board inviting of all the interested students. Students, before writing a notice, first read the question carefully. So let's start our answer. So first of all, students, we have to make a rectangular box in which we are going to write a notice. In that box, in the top middle position, we will be writing the name of the institution which is given, that is MS Public School Delhi. Then in the next line we will write the word notice, that should be bold, and then on the left hand side we are going to write the date, that is 12 May 2020, and then comes the title that we will write in between. The title is Inter-School Dance Competition, right? Now look student, how to start the body of the letter. as it is a very important part of the notice. It is hereby informed to all the students that the school is organizing an inter-school dance competition on 20 May 2020, Monday at 10 a.m. in the school auditorium. More than 20 schools all over the city will participate. Interested students are requested to submit their names before 18 May 2020 to our dance teacher, Mrs. Rakhi. For further details, contact the undersigned. So now students, you can see all the important information come in the body of the letter, that is date, time, venue, right? As we completed with the body of the letter, on the left hand side you will put your sign, then the name that is written in the question, and then the designation. So students, now I am sharing one more example with you. Read the question carefully and follow the same pattern. Thank you so much.